You know, every athlete or film star or celebrity comes to me saying that I want a six-pack. They want aesthetic fat loss. But a lot of our country is overweight. And when you're overweight, you want a quick fix pill. There is no pill on the planet, take it from me, the expert. I've worked with hundreds of celebrities. If there was a magic pill, I'd have a line from here to New Delhi of people standing to get that weight loss pill. These are all fix-it jobs that con man or con people use. Here's the thing. There's nutrition or diet, there's exercise, and there's sleep. And then there's something called a blood test to check for hormonal imbalances in your thyroid. If you're a woman, it's thyroid and your ovarian system. When you look at all of these parameters, you can help a person learn to eat scientifically. The issue in today's world is people are consuming more calories than they require. When I studied in medical college, I was taught that you need 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. This was a model designed by the Industrial Revolution to feed factory workers. In today's age, we don't use our muscles, we use our brains. We are all DJs. DJs ka matlab desk jockeys. We use only our fingers and our brains. Energy expenditure is very, very limited. Whereas our ancestors walked 10-15 kilometers a day, you and I walk not even 500 meters a day. My point to you is this: energy expenditure has shrunk, eating has increased because of affluence, food delivery, e-commerce apps. Whenever you want food, hello bhaiya, mere ko 2 rasmalai bhej do. It's very easy. Within 10 minutes, rasmalai is in your house. So availability of food and cheapness of food has got this to your doorstep. This results in weight gain. There are no pills. Yes, you can take a protein supplement. Yes, you can take an amino acid when you're working out. Yes, you can take a appetite suppressant like Garcinia cambogiana. You can take ginger, you can take amla extract. These things blunt appetite. But at the end of the day, if you do not know how to eat correctly, then you are simply conning yourself by buying these expensive pills and powders. But there are a lot of sports nutritional supplements that can be used in weight loss. The biggest mistake people make in today's world is they assume they can repair their own car like a mechanic. They are like a mobile repair person. Oh, my mobile phone is broken, let me repair my own mobile. No, in your car and your mobile, you go to a service center, you go to a professional. Lekin dal chawal roti, I am the expert. Everybody thinks that. My own mother thinks she's the best nutritionist on the planet. But there are people called dietitians and nutritionists who will align your nutrition plan based on your body type, based on your biochemistry, based on your genetics, based on your lifestyle. But a quick tip that I can give you, dalchini or cinnamon is known to reduce abdominal obesity by up to 4%. So consuming anywhere from 3 to 4.5 grams of cinnamonaldehyde, which is the extract from cinnamon, specifically Sri Lanka cinnamon, not the other fake cinnamon that you get, should help in reducing belly fat, provided you have aligned your diet to have lesser calories, lesser carbohydrate, correct amount of protein, and a large quantity of fiber, which comes mostly from your vegetables, specifically your green vegetable matter. So don't take a weight loss pill. Focus on balancing your diet, focus on your exercise. And by the way, it's 15,000 steps for weight loss. That's your magical weight loss pill. Walk, don't run. 15,000 steps, and I promise you that's the weight loss pill you're looking for.